Welcome to EmployeeConnect. In this video, we will show you how to create a custom form using the custom form builder in EmployeeConnect. To do so, first navigate to Advanced Custom Forms. This is the custom form builder. You have the option of adding a new form, a new report, or editing the existing forms and reports you've already built. For the purposes of the demo, we're going to create a new form. So please click Add New Form. Input a name for your form, click OK, select which menu you want this to appear to. Do you want this to be available on the employee or the home menu, on the manager menu, or accessible only from the HR menu? So I'm going to associate this with the manager menu. You have two options. Do you want to attach a workflow process for this custom form, or do you want it to just be a form available in EmployeeConnect? So let's pick a workflow process for this. This is the pick list listing all of the available workflows. You need to make sure that you select which one you need for this specific custom form. This triggers when the user accessing the form submits this form. Click OK. And here are the fields that are available. You have a text box, text area, list box, a database list box, pick list, radio group, checkbox, calendar picker, and a file attachment option. Let's do a radio group. Put in a label, tooltip, select visible for this to be available. You can untick this and this will be hidden. Tick mandatory if you want the users to not be able to submit the form without inputting any data within this field. Now for the list, this will be your list values. So enter whichever items you want to appear there. I'm going to add another one, just a text box for name, for example. This could be a label. So that will be something like a section label that you'll be seeing on the form. So you can do that here. Now, you have the option of arranging the fields and how you want them to appear. So you can do this. If you have lots of fields there, then make use of the buttons right here to move the item down or up, depending on which order you want them to appear in the form. Now, when you've done that and you've completed all of the fields that you want to appear in the form, just click I'm done with all the fields to move on to the next step. Now, this button will allow you to publish it. If you want to modify and change any of the settings that you've already made, you can click on the breadcrumbs from this menu. Now let's publish the custom form. And that's it. You can create a new one, start from the beginning of the form builder, or you can click here to navigate directly to that form that you've created and built. This is the form that we made. All right, so that's how easy it is to build a custom form in EmployeeConnect. If you have questions regarding the workflow processes and how to build them, please make sure to consult your EmployeeConnect consultant for additional information. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.